Okay, and welcome to another video done by Crazy KB. In this video, we'll be showing how to create a GPO, manage it, and linking it to an OU, which are not operational unit. So firstly, you can start, go to Administrative Tools, Active Directory and Computers. Right inside here, we have all the users. So inside Crazy Doctor, you can right click, New. You want to create a new organizational unit. You should be using a little later. For this, we can name this the test group and enable the protect container from accidental deletion, just in case. You never know what can happen, so this will protect all your files. So click OK. Have a new test group. For this test group, let's create a new user. We'll name this user Jack Beam. User login JB. Click next. And to this variable password that expires. So for his password we will put next. Alright, JPM. Let's create it. So inside test group we have JPM, okay? So we can close this and we can actually go and configure the group policies now. So in 2008, group policy management has its own segment. So we enter here. So you can see test group here. Group policy objects here. We right click and we want to create a new policy object, and we would name this screen saver, which is what we actually want to create. So we have a new screen saver. If we right click screen saver and click edit. This has its own thing. You can actually in the properties and give it a little column. So description. This will set screensaver settings. Okay. So inside screensaver, going to policies, administrative templates, control panel, and going to display. Right here we have a whole list of settings. You can see all of them saying not configured and no. What we would like to do is add a screensaver, so we right click on properties, so we enable in the screensaver. If you're going to explain, you can actually see what this does and what it can offer. So click apply, okay. Next we would like to enter password protect for the screensaver properties. What this actually does is every time the screensaver comes on, you'll be prompted to log in again to get back into the system. So click apply and okay. And to help out that, we can put in a screensaver timeout, which will actually help protect the system better. So enable it. They set us a default of 900 seconds. So, but for this tutorial, we can set it at 60 seconds. So we only have to wait 1 minute until it actually applies. So click apply and OK. So can close off this now, and we go into our test group and to link the existing GPU. So in our test group here, we want to add the screensaver. Okay, so you can now see that screensaver is part of the test group as the defaults of defaults, controllers and policies. So once that is set, so we'll click everything in the GPU, click OK. So you can see the test group is linked and will affect all authenticated users. So now what we can do, since we have actually set the screensaver, you can go to run, and we're going to, well, this is the correct update here, group policy update /force, and this will update the software we just done. Click OK. Hopefully those settings have been coming as I've run through so quickly. So minimize this here, and go to personalize screensaver. You can see that I cannot change the time period under which the screensaver will appear, so that's it. So you click OK. So what have we actually done in this video? Firstly, we created a new OU. We created a mandatory profile of Jack Bean for the test group to function. We put in a GPO, which will be the screensaver. We managed it by configuring a new 60-second policy, updated the system, and proved that it's changed. So let's actually wait a 60 seconds and see if it will prompt us to log in again. Okay, so the screensaver kicked in. On the move of the mouse, we are required to log in once again, so it works. So our GPO policy, so only this, to show that has worked, what you can do now, you can choose to edit more settings. Whether with the GPO policy, or can actually edit the user, put in more restrictions. If we go back into the display, we have set the 3 policies, and you can prevent the user from changing the wallpaper, hide tab setting, screensaver executable name, even hide the desktop tab. So there are many things you can do within the group policy management, but you can play around with these. I just showed you one basic way to do it, using an OU to save these settings. Thanks very much, and I hope this tutorial was helpful to you.